Always remember, when you're riding near a truck, size matters, and so does visibility. Number 1, stay out of blind spot. Trucks have large blind spot sa harap, sa likod, at sa mga gilid. If you can't see the truck driver's mirror, chances are hindi ka rin nakikita ng driver ng truck. Number 2, never too close. Keep a safe distance behind the truck. Huwag tayong dikit ng dikit sa mga truck. Trucks have long stopping distance and they can see what's right behind them. Number 3, do not overtake at the right side. Trucks swing wide when turning at the right. If you're on the right side, you can easily get rough, katulad ng nasa video. And number 4, avoid squeezing between trucks and the barriers. Sa traffic, huwag pumilit sumingit sa pagitan ng mga gutter at mga truck. It's a deadly trap. Isang maling arangkada lang ng trucks, wala tayong ligtas dyan. Number 5, be alert at intersection. Kapag humihinto ang mga truck, huwag tayong sisingit sa harap. If the truck move forward, baka hindi ka niya makita. Always position yourself when you're visible. Number 6, use your horn and lights. Huwag tayong mahihiyang magpapansin. A quick beep or flashing your lights can alert the truck driver your presence. And number 7, anticipate wide turns. Big trucks make wide turns left or right. At wag na wag tayong pumasok sa mga curb, lalong-lalo na kung kasabayan natin ang mga trucks. Give space and give the truck to complete turn. And this is my final reminder mga kaibigan, lalong-lalo na sa mga rider. Maging defensive palagi pagdating sa kalsada. Trucks are not your enemies, but they can be dangerous if you don't respect their space. Mga boss, wag na wag kang sumingit sa mga trucks, lalong-lalo na sa parting kanan. Baka hindi ka niya makita. Pag hindi ka niya nakita, ikaw ang talo. Tandaan, mas malaki sila. Mas malaki ang blind spot. Kung hindi ka kita sa side mirror, lumayo ka. Lumayo ka sa kalsada. Tandaan, visibility equals